Meet Form, the construction kit for your camera. Form is the all-in-one solution for creative rigging for DSLR and smartphone filming. Like many people starting out in filming, we didn't know what rigging equipment we would require until we started to capture video, and then it was too late. So we developed Form to build anything for any situation. No more taking too much gear to your next shoot. With Form you have everything you need, just grab it and go. Need a slider? Build it. Need a cage? Build it. Need a rotating magnetic dolly thing? Well, build it. With Form, it's really that simple. Step 1, create. Step 2, build. Step 3, capture. Get even more creative with your camera and always have the right setup to hand. Form parts are CNC manufactured from lightweight aircraft grade aluminium and have a durable anodized finish, but simply put, they look the part and they're super strong. All of our mounting holes and fasteners are standard camera fit, and for those who are interested, that's 1/4 20 UNC, which means that they are compatible with your camera and most of the accessories on the market. The future of Form is looking bright, with a number of expansions for the system already planned, and we are working on a 3D printable catalogue of small parts to help you expand your system even further. We really need your help to bring Form to life. Our prototypes are done, and we've spent the last 18 months developing Form, and it's now ready for production. Our in-house machine shop is almost ready to start making a high-quality product, but we need tooling and production plates to allow us to produce this on a larger scale rather than one at a time. Please hit the green Back This Project button and help us to make Form a reality. Form. Create, build, capture.